Try to do it to me, so you will have distance. Try to move one body. One body. At me, move one body. Bilas eh. Distance. Distance. Up, down. Most of us are small, of course. We need to... No, you tell. First step, before we are doing exercise only, right? First step is to move him out. So I'm clear here. If it's here, no, it's dangerous. Always clear the path. Clear the path. And before, I was always mentioning move with one body. One body. So he's taller. I move as one body. I cannot do it by force. Should be body movement. Out. Move one body. Okay, so initial movement is really important. Need to move him out. Always. Move him out. Out. I can do kotegaishi, I can do shionage. It's preparatory for all techniques. Okay, that's why we do first yokomen. Should be like this. And I am not on his foot. I am not trapped like this because the hand is in front. But if I move him out, his foot will always be out. Okay, so all techniques do this preliminary movement. Always we need to remember. Okay? Kasi, boy. Talon. Hindi ka sa magsulat. Talon. Hindi ka sa Alexander is too tall. You cannot push him. Yes. You cannot push him like that. But otherwise, only here. Only down. Hindi pa sa push. Gusto lang. Hindi naman necessary. Hindi naman. Matanda na yung ulo na. Oo. Hindi mo sa talong. Dahan. Paano nagandito? Too much fat inside. Maybe you can stretch. Do you have to stretch? No. Too much fat. Sebo, hindi mo balikan. Yan. Hindi mo po. Hindi mo pag-deplo. Hindi mo balikan. Ayan na. Mabubusin yan. Yung tama, magiglang na lang naman ha. Diba? Kasi hindi mo ba inipit dito eh. Nandito okay na to eh. Okay na yun sa taas. Yun yan. Ipitin mo. Yung! Sabi ko. Ito. Kasi yung taas mo okay na to eh. Kasi maluwag ko, ganyan. Oh. Wala pa. Ito. Bravo. Ito. Ulit. Recover. Yes. Huwag kang tumuko. Meron ka eh. Meron mo. Kasama yun. Nawala yung braso dito. Tumutungo. Hindi mo siya mawala ito ba? Ito ka dito. Pero
Kasi maliit eh. Hindi ko kayo mapagduri. Wala kasi uri eh. Yun! Yun! Nice. Bakit? Huwag ganun. Huwag ganun. Yun! Dali yun.
Bus out. Cut out this.
That's why it's stuck. Nasasabi tayo mo rin eh. Sa parang ako kayo. Nasa mga piling mo rin eh. Kapit ako! Kapit ako! No. Hindi kasi wala pag-iwa na rin. Yun! Kasi nalala ka dun yun. Hindi ka rin yun. Yun! Oh! Hindi lang pinurihin mo yun. Pwede ka naman pinurihin. Ako nga, kahit na may itong hawak ko, hindi ka naman sasaktan eh. Kasi pag kuha rin to, tumog ka na. Ikaw mo pa rin. Pakiramdaman mo.
Huwag mong pilit mag-roll.
Oo, pilit na mag-roll.
Kasi kung iipit na ni Nag-roll,
Hindi ka makapag-roll.
ganun mong patuan mo.
Para tayo maghanap ka ng lalabasan. Kahit na naipit ka. Ito lang yun, simple. Kasi naipit ka na ito, dati ka pa.
Hindi ngayon yung body mo ganun.
Oo! Tapos ginagawa ko na, makapitin mo ako, kaya talo ko prepare sa inyo yung matas. Masasaktan. Imbis na ilang gawin mo lang eh. Oh, kahit hindi ka ipitin. Kahit ipitin ka lang, ipitin ka. Ganito mo lang, tingin ka dito. Yun! Lumuwag, di ba? O. Yun yun. Diba? Yes. Oh, ito lang. Oh. Yun! Ay, diba? Ang hirap tumingon. Ang hirap tumingon.
Kailangan ka natin.
Meron talaga. Kailangan nyo na mo.